How's it going, guys? Been a little while since I had a video, but one of the things I want to get done today is fix this stupid impact, the little electric ratchet again. Apparently at some point in time I lost my 2 screws that I put in there. It goes one way. Sometimes it works, sometimes it just sits there and whines. So I need to make sure the gears are in where they're supposed to and see if I can find some screws that fit this thing. This thing is irritating. I really like the use of this tool when it works. And the fact I never had any screws in there, someone commented on my last video saying they have screws in theirs. And of course on their pictures on Amazon they don't show, directly on there. So I don't know. I mean, I know they're supposed to be screws because they wouldn't thread those if nothing goes in them, but I don't know why they wouldn't put them in there. So I'm going to clean up my workbench and then see if I can get this fixed. I did get a new little welder, got off Amazon, a little stick welder. I have a project a customer dropped off, aluminum wheel wells for a trailer. And I tried using the Harbor Freight, wherever they're at, the low heat rods for aluminum, and they did not work very well right here. I mean, they work, but they are not sturdy at all. So I got some actual welding rods in that stick welder. He actually had to use them, so he took it back, and then I'll drop them off later on. So yeah, need to get this put up. I tested it. I also have some normal rods. Does pretty well. I'm working on a little project there, and our MIG welder's just, or TIG welder's just too much for it. So it's so thin metal. I'm actually going to try using this. See if I can get a better solder, or see if I can get a better weld on that. So step 1 though is cleaning all this mess up. Alright, I pulled all but one. It's just hanging up in there. All the screws out. I tried just putting another screw in, but it's still just sitting there whining. It's not actually working. So oh yeah. As you can tell, that got all twisted up. My wires are completely wrapped around each other and tangled. Yes, that got really messed up. Alright, moment of truth. Tighten. Loosen. I just have a giant, wood screw sticking out of the bottom of it. I mean, it seems to hold, so I might just find one like that and cut it off the right height. Just put Loctite on it. Let's see, in this box of miscellaneous screws, actually here looks got a short one right here. But will it fit? Let me go the opposite side. If this thing isn't like the Frankenstein, I didn't find a shorter one. All I care is that it's staying together. I don't really care how it looks, but I'd rather not have 4 different length screws sticking out of it, but I also need it to work. Here's a different one, different color. We'll just throw a different color in there, see what that looks like. There we go. Let's find another one. Might as well just go all out with our janky screws, with our janky tool. I think I'm all out of janky screws. Wait, here's another one. Another rust colored one. If I can find another one, I'll get rid of this longer one, at least. Make it look more uniform. This looks so dumb. I think I see another one in there. I'm gonna take this long one out. You can retire it. You've done well for your testing purposes. But now we need to downgrade your little brother. There we go. There's our Frankenstein tool now. Now we have 4 flathead screws that are sticking out, you know, almost 1/4 of an inch. So that's good. Gives you a nice, you know, grip on your hands when you're trying to hold on to it. And I'll just wrap this thing in electrical tape or something, or duct tape. Make it look like the janky tool it is. Yeah. Now I have a better chance of not losing all 4 screws at one time. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.